Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Renee, and today I have the awesome Pokemon Mythic Collection for Victini. And, oh, we got Keldo, normal form, special edition, early, for some unknown reason, in my Toys R Us. So I was like, no, I need that now. It's mine. Yes. So, we have both. Woohoo! I'm going to start with Keldeo. And there's tape. Tape everywhere. As always. Tape. No tape holding you down today. Awesome. Things down. There we go. Got some awesome art on the back. Keldeo travels the world visiting beaches and riverbanks where it can race across the water. When this mythic Pokemon is filled with resolve, it gains a blinding speed. I guess they're still doing construction. Again, evil people. All the Pokeballs are always tied in with this paper tie strippy thingy. I don't want to deal with that today. And it's very tough. I don't want to try and undo it. I apologize if you can hear whatever that stupid noise is. It's annoying. At least to me. Oh, you got something tied around you too? Yes, you do. Oh, there we go. Come on, Pokeball. I cut most of that. There we go. Got the black awesome ball, which is nice and pearly and awesome. Clip and carry Pokeballs are awesome. And one awesome still got plastic all over him. And I dropped things. Pearly Keldo. Well, that's an interesting place to stick your trademark, Nintendo. Right in the middle. On both sides. Really? One of those on the belly would have been nice. Huh. Alright. Headpiece is stuck on. Got some awesome detail in the fits. But yes. Keldo. Awesome. Well, except for the trademarks on both sides. And Victini. Yep. There we go. We've got a Generations poster. An awesome card with a card code, but because I play, I keep those. Or will I? 2 packs. We got Venusaur and Pikachu today, and here's a nice look at the awesome Victini full art card. I do love the energy assist. That's kind of, you know, nasty. Pretty. And your awesome, epic Victini pin. Awesome. Standard back on all the Pokemon pins. In his little victory pose. Do this. These Pokeballs are awesome for not only displaying your figures, but displaying your matching pins on the front. Awesome. We got 2 Generations packs. Get off my screen. There we go. I'm going to start with Venusaur, then Pikachu. I am now missing 4. 4? I believe it's 4 cards from the regular set. Probably more. And I know I'm only missing a singular card from the Radiant Collection. 1, 2, 3. We got the Team Flare Grunt, Machoke, Radiant Collection Flower Crown, Gastly, Meowth, Slowpoke, Tangela, Reverse Hollow Grass Energy, Mega Gardevoir EX, and, yes, I know I was missing that one, Ninetales EX. Sweet. Awesome sauce. 1 card I'm missing out of my set. Now for the Pikachu. Funnily enough, today is also the day I finally got to evolve Pikachu in Pokemon Go to the best Pokemon of all, Raichu. Well, in my opinion. We got red card, Evo Sota, Radiant Collection Shroomish, Pikachu out of a Pikachu pack, and he goes Pikachu, Caterpie, Psychic Energy, another Meowth, Reverse Hollow Revitalizer, Awesome Jirachi, and regular Hitmonchan, which is okay. So yes, here's the awesome hollows we got today. My favorite is Victini, because Victini is awesome. So like the video if you like it, subscribe if you'd like to see more awesome Pokemon cards. Let me know in the comments down below who your favorite card was. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.